I'm here with Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we are talking about easy fruit desserts. Charlene, it's really nice to have some refreshing fruit in the summer months, and we have the perfect layered fruit parfait today.
We do, because they're easily and readily available at the grocery store, the farmer's market, or even in our garden
backyard.
or orchard. That's right. So we want to take advantage of that, and we have some great ideas today. This starts out with one of the layers that we're going to do. This is just soy cream cheese, and I've just softened it. It's about 4 ounces. You are going to add a couple tablespoons of granulated sugar, and it can be more or less depending on what you'd like. And then we have a little bit of vanilla, and that is all there is to it. Easy. And then the other part of it is our fruit, and this would be a great dessert to let the family have mom or one of the kids or dad make the filling here before dinner. And then when it's time for dessert, and have your fruit all prepped, but then let everyone make their own so that they can use the fruits that they'd like.
Take that ownership of their own dessert.
Right.
Maybe help eat these fruits too.
That's right. And you
kiddos.
can use just some fun containers. These are just some fluted glasses that I have. Made some on there that we've made ahead of time. You can use some of the dessert.
So you just layer it between the fruit and then this. You can really smell the aroma of the vanilla extract.
That adds that extra little flavor to it.
For sure.
And you know, last month we did the granola, and to crunch up those bars, if you happen to have any left, would be another way to add to this one.
Yeah,
so
I see over here on the finished products. Victor, get a shot of that. We have something on top. What are those?
These are honey roasted soy nuts, and we're going to use those in another recipe this month, but they make just that added little crunch that you have at the end. But here for the fruit, we have fresh pineapple, we have blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, some grapes. But how great to let your kids pick out the fruits they want, and by having more fruit and maybe less of the filling, I mean, you have a really healthy dessert and something cool and refreshing.
Right, how fun is that? I love that the kiddos get to join in too and help make their own meal.
That's right, that's
Definitely. All right. Well, how'd I do, Charlene?
You did great. Look how pretty that is with all the layers in the fruit.
Oh, you're
Very
too
nice.
kind. All right, well, where can people find this recipe if you didn't catch it already?
KansasSoybeans.org.
Okay, and coming up next half hour, we have a very special segment to do with ice. I don't know if we've ever done that on one of our segments before.
And it's a winning recipe from the Kansas State Fair last year, so that'll be fun.
Very fun. You guys will have to stick around for that in our next half hour. We'll be right back.